Jibaliko! My name is Paxton. The world is awesome! I'm here to help you know and care more about the world beyond the USA. Today's date is April 4th, 2021. Our first headline is, a melting glacier in Uganda is causing problems. Climate change is causing a glacier on the Rwenzori Mountains to melt. This is hurting villages because the melting ice is causing floods, so they can't grow crops. Our second headline is, ancient South Americans mummified parrots. Nobody knows why. Researchers in northern Chile says that an ancient group of people used to carry parrots over the Andes and then make them into parrot mummies with their mouths wide open. Weird, huh? Our third headline is, gold mask and other 3,000-year-old artifacts are found in China. In the Sichuan province, a gold mask and other artifacts were found in 6 newly discovered pits. Our fourth headline is, bees and drones are teaming up in Croatia and Bosnia-Herzegovina to find landmines. First, what is a landmine? During times of war, armies put a type of bomb in the ground that explodes when people step on it. The big problem here is that after wars end, the landmines stay in the ground and sometimes innocent people get hurt. That's where bees and drones are coming in. Bees can pick up the scent of explosives with their antennae. Humans can't run in where bees are circling over landmines. That's too dangerous. So drones can come in and with cameras zero in on exactly where the landmines are. Our fifth headline is, the world's largest painting, located in the United Arab Emirates, was just sold for $45 million for charities for children. British artist Sasha Jaffrey created a 17,000 square foot artwork in a deserted hotel room in Dubai. The money raised will go to Dubai Cares, UNICEF, UNESCO, and the Global Gift Foundation. And our question of the day is, what 2 things are helping people find landmines? Is it A, bees and scones, B, fleas and drones, or C, bees and drones? And the answer is C! Bees and drones are helping people find landmines. Thanks for listening to World Headlines with Paxton. There's lots more news for kids at LNE.news. We're also on YouTube and major podcasting platforms. May your sweetness shine and your colors glow. Sources for today's headlines include CNN and the BBC.